The future is not out there. It is here, right now, in the present. In order to succeed, companies need to discover new ways to perform, develop, and manage talent. According to HR researcher Josh Burson, quote, 70% of multinational companies have moved away from the outdated annual review to performance management. How is performance management changing? Well, some companies have moved towards a monthly, quarterly, or 6-monthly performance review and an increment change. Other companies have completely gotten rid of the appraisal system. In fact, research shows that annual assessments can often be wildly wrong, do not give meaningful feedback to employees, are costly in terms of time, and don't really impact productivity. These days, with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, you can upload a video, write a message, blog, and you get instant feedback. That's what employees really want. When performance is a meaningful conversation and not an annual review at work, it becomes direct, transparent, and also doesn't leave any surprises for the employee at the end of the year. In an ideal world as a manager, we would love to give our employees daily and instant feedback. However, in reality, a manager has limited time and resources and is not really able to do that. And that's not likely to change in the future. One way we could meet this employee's need is to have a robot AI coach who is with the employee day in and day out, providing real, on-the-job, just-in-time feedback. All that data could go back to the manager to give the manager an idea of what the employee is struggling with. And that can convert into very effective one-on-one coaching conversations that the manager and employee could have whenever they meet one-to-one. And all that information put together at an organization level could be used by HR and business leaders to create a very effective talent management and development strategy. Go to our website, myjen.ai, for more details.